In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the best ClickUp alternative by diving into a comprehensive review of Wrike. If you're trying to decide between Wrike and ClickUp for your project management needs, you've come to the right place. These two platforms, both powerful in their own right, serve different needs based on the nature of your work and the structure of your organization. So, let's explore how they stand out against each other as of 2025. Let's start with Wrike, a structured project management solution. Wrike is tailored for larger, more structured enterprises and agencies. It truly shines when it comes to standardizing workflows and offering advanced, enterprise-level features. One of Wrike's standout attributes is its powerful reporting. The platform is celebrated for robust reporting and analytics capabilities. This allows project managers to access a detailed, real-time overview of their projects, portfolios, and resources, which is undoubtedly crucial for making informed decisions. Wrike also features an exceptional proofing and approval system. This native proofing tool, which supports over 30 file formats, simplifies the review and approval process, especially useful for creative and marketing teams who work with varied content. On top of that, Wrike's advanced resource management and capacity planning tools offer managers a bird's-eye view of long-term team workloads, helping to prevent burnout by balancing the team's efforts effectively. Another significant aspect of Wrike is its inclusion of AI features across all plans at no extra cost. These tools assess project risk and suggest tasks, providing a futuristic edge to your project management. Wrike is best suited for marketing agencies, creative teams, and large enterprises that need to standardize complex processes and require comprehensive reporting and resource management capabilities. Now, let's move on to ClickUp, an all-in-one, flexible workspace often referred to as a work OS. ClickUp is incredibly adaptable, especially for those who need a single, customizable hub for all types of work. Its most significant strength is its extreme customization feature. Think of ClickUp as a blank canvas where you can tweak nearly everything, from workflows and statuses to custom fields and automations, making it highly tailored to the unique needs of any team. ClickUp's all-in-one platform includes native features like collaborative docs, whiteboards, and chat. This integration reduces the need for multiple subscriptions, streamlining expenses and efforts. Its free forever plan is remarkably generous, offering unlimited users and tasks, particularly advantageous for small teams and individuals looking for cost-effective solutions. ClickUp also offers a wider variety of views straight out of the box compared to Wrike, such as mind maps and workload view, allowing for a more dynamic approach to visualization. In conclusion, choose Wrike if your organization values a highly structured, powerful project management system with an emphasis on detailed reporting and resource management. It's an excellent choice for larger, enterprise-level clients. On the other hand, if you need a flexible, customizable platform tailored to your team's specific workflow, ClickUp is the ideal fit. It's perfect for teams looking to consolidate their tools and centralize their work in one adaptable workspace.